Alright. No, you. These are the kitties. They're nice mothers.
Like them.
Alright.
Sometimes I don't lick them, and this is what I do. This is what I do if I don't lick them.
Do a floss real quick. Orange Justice?
He didn't split.
Do Orange Justice. Do Orange Justice.
Do it. No.
Orange Justice?
Well, then we're gonna say. I'll give you all the hot coffee. No, don't. No, don't do it.
Don't do it. No.
Are you just gonna say that you can't do the floss or the orange justice? I can do the floss and the orange.
Do the Orange Justice.
I don't want to.
Alright.
Do it. Well, then you can't do it. I can. Not. Can you? No. I just said that. Wait, what did you say then?
Do the Orange Justice.
I don't know how to do that again.
Do the floss.
You're doing
Splits.
It too fast. You're doing it too fast. Okay, the original is like this.
Do the splits.
I'm not doing it correctly. I can tell if you're doing it correctly.
Subscribe to Jeffy,
Doing it.
the one with the pencil in his nose,
And he always wears a diaper.
and he pats it.
Don't make the noise. Don't make the noise.
I just pat my leg.
Don't make the noise. I did it right.
And also, subscribe to her YouTube channel. I forgot what it is.
The baby Toothless 11.
Subscribe to Baby Toothless 11. Please. She only has 2 subscribers.
No,
How many?
I made a new channel.
What is it?
That's Baby Toothless 11 on this one and on my phone. I'm gonna go get it.
It's not.
Come on, it's time to go get now. Stay put. Oh, I hope you're not getting any more hot Takis.
So, these are my fingers right now. Pretty salty taste, but okay. There is our friend Lydia. Hey, Lydia. Lydia! Say hi. She has a TikTok account. These are the kitties. But this is Jeffy's name right here. So, yeah. Usually I'm the one who makes the deal. But, no. Very spicy. He's afraid of. What you watching there? Is that your phone?
No. What are you doing?
What are you watching?
Go away.
What are you watching?
Nothing.
Are you watching videos on YouTube?
Yeah.
Watch Baby Toothless 11. That's Savannah's YouTube channel.
She said that she changed it.
No, she said it's Baby Toothless 11.
Okay, I have to go visit it later.
Okay. Anyway, she's camera shy. She's camera shy. Yeah. Can't. Okay. So, what were you doing?
Getting a drink.
Why?
And I needed the bathroom.
Why?
Because I was thirsty and I needed to go to the bathroom.
Okay, we're gonna get the kitties out.
What happened to the toffee?
Yeah, she took it.
Who?
This is Jeffy. This is Jeffy. This is Jesse. Jeffy is Jeffy. Jeffy. Pat your diaper, man.
He ain't having a diaper.
Tell him to pat his diaper.
No.
No, don't touch him.
I literally just did.
Pat your diaper. Pat your diaper. Na 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 na.
This one.
Pat your diaper. Pat your diaper. Na 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 na.
Stop! Stop!
That is so funny.
No, it's not. It really isn't. It's just a kitten. See, it's a kitten. They're just kittens.
I know, but it's so funny. Cause like
They haven't opened their eyes yet.
that's my cat. Pat your diaper. Pat your diaper. Pat your diaper. Pat your diaper.
Ah! Baby! Kitten. No, mine. Mine. She's watching Gotcha.
She's watching Gotcha, everyone.
Shut up.
I don't even know
Just
what
so
that
you
is.
know, every single time you watch a Gotcha and you like it, like the video, okay? I love Gotcha myself.
Okay.
I love Gotcha. I love Gotcha.
Shut your mouth, kitty.
You don't tell. Oh my god, it really did open his eyes.
Wait, what?
Look. It's with her small eyes.
Let me see.
Look. Got his eyes.
Look at his eyes, everyone. If you look, put him down on the ground because I want to see this.
Okay. Okay, look. The eyes are practically open.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of.
Open your freaking eyes, kid.
Where did the girl go? Where did the girl go?
Like and subscribe
To my channel.
if you like kitties. If you like kitties, I hate you.
Angel with the shotgun. Angel with the shotgun.
I like to embarrass my friends.
No.
See? He almost opened his eyes. Kind of. Wait, what? No! I don't like you. I don't like kitties in the way.
He's like, no.
Another
kitten.
It's all blurry. Stop your movement. Oh, there. You see, that cat's humping the other cat.
No.
It looks like it.
Not even. Oh, okay. Hey, kitten, where you going? Put him on and stand still, Stand still.
This
Stand
is a
still.
10-minute video.
Stand still.